I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to delete multiple checkboxes in a database all at once. I find this super helpful because I often duplicate tables and databases for use in other workspaces and for other purposes. And if I've got a whole bunch of data in there, like checked checkboxes, or in order to use it fresh, I need to clear out all that data, uncheck all those boxes, and sometimes I have a lot of checkboxes. So what you can do is it's very, very simple. Just go into your table, your database, and have, if the checkboxes, the columns for checkboxes aren't already next to each other, I would say for this exercise, like drag them so they are all next to each other. It makes this a lot faster and easier, and then you can move them back to where they were when you're done. So you just, yeah, have them all next to each other, then just click and drag from the top left corner and just all the way down whichever boxes you want to uncheck, have them all highlighted, simply hit delete, and there you go. They're all unchecked. So another thing I did want to note is you can also check a whole bunch of boxes at once if they aren't already checked, if that's something you need to do. So what you would do is just, again, click on the top one and drag down. This only seems to work for one column at a time, but it's still a lot faster than doing them one by one. So you click and drag down to highlight the boxes you want to check, press enter, and then the box is checked. And see, it only worked in the one row. So I'd have to do like this row separately, highlight, hit enter, and there you go. If you have a database with a bunch of checkboxes that is not already in table view, it's very simple to just temporarily change it to table view, do this exercise, and then switch it back to whichever view you want.